Nee.
Yeah, ready. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are privileged enough to be fishing the Palala river. It's Palala, ne? Matuk's the Palala river. So we're gonna see if we're gonna get some fish. But before we start fishing for this weekend, the reason why we're here is because it's actually Luandre's birthday. And firstly, I want to say thank you to him for inviting me to be here and to fish with him. And obviously, it's a guy's birthday, he needs to get a birthday present. So what we actually did is I did bring him mix box, one of our mix boxes for his birthday. So now he's got enough lures to actually keep himself busy with. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a lot of different lures in here. We stacked this thing up for him for his birthday especially. So yeah, Louis, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Weer hier nog baie jare spaar en nog jou baie seën om my vriend te bly. I appreciate it. Waardeer jou vriendskap. Okay.
Hoef ek jou goed te gebruik.
There we go guys, so let's see how the fishing goes. Stick around and enjoy. Ek was nie besig om te kykie man, ek was besig om op 'n ander plek te fokus. So ek haat dit. As ek hardloop, moet jy hardloop. Okay. Dis al 'n mooi karper. Wys hom bietjie vir die kameraman. Daar's hy baie mooier.
Ek's te dik.
Mooi man, lekker Louis. Op jou birthday. Ja.
Hierdie bome.
What's up guys? So yesterday was a bit tough. Struggled to get fish. Got 2 hits and Luandra at least got that red breast kerper, which was nice at tilapia. Luandra is môre. So yeah, day 2, here we go. Hopefully the conditions is better. It's 40 minutes past 6 now, so let's see how it goes, and let's hope it's more successful than yesterday.
Jy lyk soos 'n topwater parretjie. Daar jump hy nou net daar. Ek sê mos vir jou nou. Oh. Yeah guys, so while we are fishing, the hippo decided to come up. So we've got a hippo here somewhere, we just don't know where it's at now. It looked like it came straight for us while we're trying to fish here at the back, so I don't know. Now they are very territorial animals, so we probably went into his territory there. And he doesn't want us there. So he's been showing up and blowing and showing us we are not welcome. Just want to see where he's at now. So I haven't seen him now. Don't know where he's at. He just popped up twice. Just want to see where he's gonna come up again. Yeah, we rather move than put ourselves in danger, even though yes, I think we got a nice spot there where there's a lot of fish. Not gonna work now, so let's just check if we can see it. Yep. Yo. This is on. We are on. Just get the... Yo. Okay, I didn't expect this. Guys, we are on with our barber rod. And I have to get the net set up here. Yeah. Difficult position now. Grab this. I was so unprepared for this right now. Okay, let's see what we get. So hope it's a decent one. Let's see now if we get it out. Nice little catfish probably on our catfish rod. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Yeah, buddy. Nice. So we anchored up here and decided to try it. Catfish rod didn't lay very long. Here we go, guys. Catfish rod just went. And here we go, nice little fat catfish. Look at how fat this guy is. Fat.
Good morning, guys. So it's still very early. It's our last day here at the Palala River. Fishing has been tough, but what a beautiful place it is. So I just saw the first crocodile for the weekend. I want to see if I can get a little bit closer to show you guys. I did try to zoom in a little bit, but you can't see properly on that video. So I'm going to check if I can get a little bit closer so that we can get you guys some better footage of that. But yeah, let's see. Let's check. Yeah, guys, so couldn't manage to find it. Just disappeared before we can get close enough. So yeah, might see we are going home today, so might be catching a little bit more fish. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes properly and we can get some fish. But yeah, the croc now is gone. At least I managed to see it across the river while sitting outside. Still wanted to have a little cup of coffee, but yeah, now I'm going back. I'm gonna have some coffee. There we go.
There we go, guys. Got a nice decent little bass over here. For some reason my friend put my camera off, so now we did not record the action. But there we go, got a nice little bass. Guys, so there we have it. What an awesome adventure we had here for this weekend here at Palala River. And yeah, thanks for enjoying the journey with me. You guys must have a blessed one. And like always, just stay tuned, stay blessed. Cheers.